Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Are you feeling that fall feeling that's in the air? I am. And I got some stuff to show y'all. Okay, so this is a haul. Whenever I go shopping, I feel the need to share with y'all. Is that weird? Well, it's kind of part of my channel. But anyway. But keep in mind, I'm setting up a separate YouTube just for Bible studies and devotions. I will not be doing like fashion, beauty, hauls, chit-chatting over there. Well, some chit-chat, but discussion. But y'all like my new nude look? Nude lip look? I like it sometimes. It's a little too peachy for me. What do y'all think? She says that she covers it up with her cup. Okay, first and foremost, this is a grocery store haul. I think. Yeah, it is. First and foremost. Important. Woman's World Magazine. God bless America. I didn't notice it said that before. Is this like a Christian publication? Does anyone know? Anyway, it said she reached her happy weight at 64. She lost 91 pounds. Now, y'all. But I'm going to read it. Okay. Cholesterol breakthrough, new fountain of youth, secret savings. This is aimed to old ladies. Look who's on the cover. Well, I'm an old lady. What's wrong with being an old lady? Okay, so there's a new easy movement that sends metabolism soaring. It's a thyroid boost. Also, bye-bye age spots, the natural extract that erases blotches. You can bet I'm reading this one. So this is, I don't know if any of y'all read this. I'll tell you what I find out. I don't know if it's something like the, you know, those magazines that are clearly just cuckoo. I mean, there's some out there that are. This looks very legitimate. Anyway, I like this, so I got it. So that's my first thing that I got. Also, I got this. It's called Purador. And it's a hair thinning therapy intense moisturizing mask. Reduces hair thinning. And moisture, luster, manageability, strength. Helps reduce dryness, split ends, breakage, and frizz. One single use conditioning cap. One single use hair mask. Should I do like a get masked with me? Y'all see me without makeup and my hair wet, so this would not be like embarrassing to me. I'm used to y'all seeing me the way I am. Okay, so there's that. I also, just because I still feel like I'm thinning and still taking biotin, part of it I'm sure is just hormones and aging, but you know, you do what you can. And I don't know that I'll always try to not, but I am still trying to look a little more. You know what I just noticed? This is the same brand. Okay, this is Purador. This is scalp therapy shampoo. Okay, the reason that these, okay, they're separate. So let me just read to you. It says daily dry scalp treatment for shinier hair, less flakes due to dryness. So it has in it tea tree oil, peppermint, argan oil right there. Argan oil is great for your skin. It's good. It's good for everything about you. And those things, tea tree, peppermint, and argan, nourish your scalp, and they also calm the skin. It also helps clarify the scalp and the strands. It has no harmful chemicals, no sulfates, no parabens, gluten-free, unisex for all hair types, man or woman. It is also the finest ingredient, certified organic. It's a USDA certified bio-based product and cruelty-free. Oh my gosh, the list is so long of what it doesn't have in it. Is that unique? Usually the list is so long of what it does have in it. Y'all, this house has been completely quiet all morning. I start talking to y'all and the dogs go ballistic. Hold on, I'm going to close this door. Young ladies, that's enough fussing. Wait a minute, what are y'all looking at? Is it something I should know about? It's probably a deer or a cat. It's a cat. It's a next door neighbor's cat. We're not going there. I mean, I like the next door neighbor and their cat, but what I was going to say, just to be honest, was it keeps the rats down, but I know it sounds terrible. Seriously, there's rodents in the woods at all times. My husband reminds me, he says, but you bring them towards our yard by putting out that bird seed. Y'all, I'm going to have the bird seed. I love birds. But anyway, okay. So, I'm going to try this. This, again, is Purador. I've not tried this before. I don't know if it's a hoax or if it makes one bit of difference, but I know that those products are good. I know the fact that it doesn't have these other things in it. Let me just read the list to you. No sodium, I'm going to go ahead and hold something up besides my face. No sodium lauryl sulfate. Assume that everything that I tell you is probably bad for you. No parabens, no phthalates, no artificial colorants, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no common allergens. And there is a list of allergens in the world. And not everything that you're sensitive to is you're allergic to. There's a known list of allergens in the world. And so they're saying it's not on that list. No propylene glycol. That's in a lot of products. No formaldehyde. Do you know how much formaldehyde is in so much, especially like fingernail polish? So you do have to watch for things like that. No toluene, that's also in it, in nail polish. No gluten, no metallic aluminum. It's cruelty-free, earth-friendly, and vegan. If you would like to check out this product, it's purador.com. So I also got the hair thinning therapy conditioner, and it has nettle leaf, he shao wu, punjuan bark extract. Are y'all laughing at me because I can't pronounce things? Black cumin seed oil, saw palmetto, argan oil, catalase, and caffeine. Now, how is caffeine when it is a known diuretic? Reduce moisture. How can it cause moisture? Anyway, it seems like that's actually a very good question. Why would you add caffeine? To hype up your hairs? I don't know. Okay, it says decreases thinning and promotes thickness by reducing breakage compared to shampoo alone. Well, anyway, it says new label, same formula. I guess that was the old label. This is the new. I don't know. I'm going to try them. And I am going to try their hair mask as well. So I just thought I'd share that with you. While I was in the organic mood, I went ahead and got some Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. And I think we're going to put this in our camper because it's, oh my gosh, was I in the organic section or something? It says made with plant derivative ingredients, natural essential oils, aloe vera extract, glycerin and olive oil, not made with parabens and phthalates, triclosan, mia and dia, formaldehyde, or artificial colors. It is also made with, the bottle is made with 25% post-consumable plastic. Please recycle it. It's got the bunny on it, which means it's vegan. Cruelty-free. To make sure your hands are clean, wash them for at least 30 seconds. I've heard that once you get your hands wet and you put your soap on, which you should do, wet your hands, then put soap on, you should actually, hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. Hello? Hello? Okay, that was weird. There was no one there. Anyway, so I'm trying this, but I'm probably going to put this in our camper because it's like all natural. And it, you know, when you have water running in an RV system, sewer system type situation, I'm just thinking it probably should have organic soap. I don't know if it makes a difference. It looked like something good. Okay, then also I got this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Exfoliating Cleanser, and I also got this deep serum. Y'all, I don't have it in here with me. Hold on, you want me to go get it? Hold on a second. You'll have to wait for just a second because I couldn't wait and I went ahead and opened it. You can't come with me unless you're not going to bark. Okay, come on. But don't bark a lot, okay? Ah! Are you serious, Velvet? Come here. Come here. Come here and show your little disobedient self. Come here. Right as I said, do not bark. Did y'all hear what she did? She barked, but she's feeling so much better, y'all. Oh, everything's fine. Yeah. Do I bore you, my baby? Oh, Velvet's feeling so much better since her little tooth surgery, y'all. Oh, am I stressing you out, sweetheart? Would you? Oh. You want me to put you down? I love you so much. You want me to put you down on the floor? Okay. You want to get in your little pallet? I have a little pallet right beside me. No, she doesn't. She just ran off. Okay. After all that, Okay, so I got the Neutrogena Exfoliating Cleanser. Gently exfoliates. We all know the value of exfoliating, getting dead skin cells off because it rejuvenates new skin cells coming through. Can you see that I'm out of breath just from walking down the hall quickly, briskly? That's sad. I need exercise. Okay. Seriously. All right, so I want to try this as an exfoliator. And then I got their Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream. And this has accelerated retinol SA. So I actually have learned not to push that into the camera because it actually blurs. And put it next to my face so you can see the size. This was about 20 bucks. I can't remember. Something like $17.99 or something like that. It wasn't cheap. But good products never are. I am going to talk. I take that back. I mean, just plain old castor oil and olive oil is cheap. Well, not cheap, but you know what I'm saying? You can get things for less expensive prices, and they're still good. That's what I'm trying to say. So my first comment was totally out of line. Anyway, what is with me today? Okay, so I've always wanted to try this because the commercials are quite impressive. Who believes advertising? Okay. And also, I mean, they're really good. I mean, I just believe it. And I'm going to ask my dermatologist, do over-the-counter cosmetics have enough retinol or hyaluronic acid or all kinds of weasel juice? I don't know. What would you say? You know, they've got so many juices in them, like, I don't know, seed juice and oils, you know, just, and is it enough? I mean, or would a dermatologist who's going to be honest with you about the skin and aging process, does it not make one bit of difference? One of the big things, except for injections that actually plump a wrinkle out, because a wrinkle is a crevice, a wrinkle is a valley. Your skin was nice and flat, and you kept filling it up and filling it up until it makes a little vent. It can be with pollutants, it can be with old dead skin cells, it can be with whatever. And that's why when you use a primer, what it does is it just fills that up. It's very, very finely milled, and it just fills this up to where it's nice and flat. It's still under there. It's just filled up with stuff. And then I also got